Start. What's on your bag?
My bag, 9 West. 9 West. What's on my bag? First, it's a L'Oreal foundation. Powder cake. It's an extra shirt off shoulder. And small towel.
What brand?
Cinderella. VS. My wallet. Simple. Camera case.
Walang
Lower
laman.
Pro.
Walang laman.
Camera. You're using it.
No.
Um,
Walang laman.
What's this?
Secret.
It's for girls. I bought this. Kanina lang. It's Brazil and FIFA 2010 South Africa.
Magkano?
South Africa. Secret. It's cheap.
Cheap
It
price.
comes with a cute plastic. My piece. PCO.
How much does it cost?
I think 50 pesos. And Glee. Three. Pyramid. Just kidding. What's that other? Another Ray-Ban. My LG phone. The keychains from my friend Jacket. Peanuts. Bought on sidewalk. Camera charger. And this is my powder. It's imported from Saudi. This is my perfume. Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. A ring. And
Your favorite lipstick?
favorite lipstick, L'Oreal.
What
Super
color?
red. Super red. It gives that factor.
Factor.
Yeah. Ball pen.
Where did you bought your ball pen?
National Bookstore. Tanduay Ice. Tansan.
Ano ay ice ka?
I'll show you the most special thing on my bag.
The picture of the
Ascals. Ascals inspires me, really.
Can you show us your crush?
Oh! Have you seen my crush? Yeah, wait. It's inside the plastic. This is Christopher Kamkam. Tadam! Oh my gosh. Tadam! Wait. Christopher Kamkam.
Why do you like him?
I don't know, I just love him. Christopher Kamkam. Christopher Nicholas Joaquin Kamkam. Sister Alex Kamkam. Rafa Kamkam. Kamkam.
Number 20.
My favorite picture. Wait.
I like my
Wait lang.
nail polish.
At
Oh my
you
gosh.
see the idol of Christine, my friend, bestest friend.
Who?
It's Super Kamkam again. Another favorite picture. This is Christine's husband, Neil Leonard Dula Etheridge. Tadam!
May kulang na ba?
Neil Etheridge, goalkeeper. And here's the picture.
Ah, I like my
Other
nail.
pictures.
Oh my gosh, it's so soft.
My nail art, kanina rin. It's Rasta.
What about your
Dream
watch?
team. Phil,
Alibor.
Alibor, James, and Christopher.
What about your watch?
This is me.
Oh, I saw one passive.
Yeah. This is me, Askal Boss, official Askal Boss. Filipinas football. Yeah. And that's it.
What about your watch?
Watch. My bag.
Bye.